there! In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to forward your office calls to your personal phone. Whether you're a basic user or an office manager, this tutorial will make the process super easy for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Logging into the AHS PBX Portal. Open your preferred browser and search for advancedhostedservices.com in the address bar. Once you're on the AHS website, look for the PBX login button and click on it. A login window will appear where you can enter your credentials. If you don't have your login details yet, no worries. Email us at support@advancednetworkservices.us, and one of our agents will be happy to assist you. Once your credentials are entered, click Login to access your account. Step 2. Create your time frame. Go to the Timeframes tab. This is where you set when your forwarding will be active. To add a new time frame, just click Add Time Frame, and a small window will pop up so you can customize your schedule. Now let's put a name to your time frame. Give it a simple, easy-to-recognize name, something like Forward to Sell. Next, pick the times you'd like this forwarding to be active. You'll see 3 options. If you want forwarding active all day, every day, Always is the easiest option for this setup. If you want your forwarding active on specific days each week or during specific hours, Days and Hours is the best option. Here, you can choose the exact days and select start and end times. The blue bar shows the exact time range when your forwarding is active. Needed active twice in the same day? Just click the plus icon to add another time range. This setup will repeat automatically every week. If you only need forwarding for one day or for a temporary period, like a trip or holiday, specific dates will be the perfect option in that case. Just pick the date and time when your forwarding starts, then select the date and time when it should stop, and that's it. Once you choose the option that fits your needs, click Save. Step 3. Add the answering rule. Now that your time frame is ready, go to the Answering Rules tab. If you are an office manager, you can find the Answering Rules tab by clicking on your name in the top right corner of the screen. Then, select My Account. From there, you'll see the Answering Rules tab. Think of your answering rule as the place where you can see and control exactly where your calls are going. It tells the system whether your calls should ring on your desk phone, your mobile app, your personal phone number, or ring on all your devices at the same time in the order you choose. Now let's add a rule. Click on the Add Rule button. A new window will open. Choose the time frame you just created and keep Enabled checked. This must be on for the rule to work. Now let's go to the important part, call forwarding. In this case, we want to forward all calls to your personal number. To do that, select the first option, Always, which means all calls will go to the number you choose as long as this rule is active. Once you enter your phone number, click Save, and your new answering rule will be created. You'll know which answering rule is active by looking for the blue indicator in the Answering Rules tab. That tells you exactly which rule is running at the moment. In this case, the call forwarding is already active, which means your office number is now forwarding directly to your personal line. Super quick and super easy. We hope you had a smooth experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.